guys, totoo nga nasa Vietnam na tayo. What did you do to me, darling? This is our brunch. Super ano niya guys. The spring rolls. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh guys. Hi guys! So this is our day 9 and huwag niyong pansinin kung maga ako dahil sa noo ko yun at sa baba ko. So day 9 ng ilong ko, magkapa-chin and forehead tayo para proportion. Like, para ganyan guys. Para face. Tapos na guys ang ating noo. Medyo maga pa siya. Nakita niyo naman yung kanina tsaka yung ngayon. Look at that. Pero tatanggalin na natin yung mga natirang tahi sa ating tenga. And then tayo ay tapos na. Hi guys, this is what it looks like without the tape. Diba? Can you see the vision? Charot! The avatar vision. So, andyan na si Doc. Sa kabila lang siya. Nakausap ko naman na siya. Inaantay ko lang kung ay, sobrang maga talaga ng noo. Is this Tagalog? But yes, guys. Ayan guys, so wala tayo sa tahi natin. Wala tayong scar. Ito hindi pa tuyo. Pero tignan nyo guys. May tahi yan, di ba? Walang scar. Hi guys! Doc is here! Super okay na daw talaga ng nose ko. And ano masasabi mo, Doc, sa nose ko na?
Ang bilis ng healing, super bilis. Siguro kasi super healthy mong person. Kaya, yan. Saka maganda, di ba? Pag maganda and happy rin, mabilis ang healing. Okay?
Yes, guys. So, ngayon, ang hinihingi ko lang kay Doc ay med certificate para sa flight ko. Kasi baka hindi ako paliparin, Doc, sabihin ibang tao ako.
Okay, ang bilis lang, di ba, yung pag-heal. Makaka-travel na. Ilang days pa lang, 9 days. So.
Yes. 9 days, guys. Pero look at the nose. Wala na tayong maga. Just the forehead and chin na lang. Then we're good.
Thank you for your trust.
Yes, of course,
Safe
Doc.
trip. See you when you come back.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Doc. Hi, guys. Good morning. So, it's 12 a.m. I don't know kung exact, but it's 12 a.m. right now. And nandito na ako sa NAIA Terminal 1. And flight natin today is July 10 and 3 a.m. yung flight ko papuntang Vietnam. And just mag-isa lang po ako. Ito yung luggages ko guys. So, may dala akong malaking luggage. Ayan siya. So, may maliit din. Para alam niyo na, pag nakapag-shopping tayo, madami tayong may iuwi. Kasi guys, yung kg ko na in-avail pa-uwi ay 40 kg kasi alam kong grabing shopping ang mangyayari. But yeah, update ko kayo. Bye! Hi guys! So may konting aberya lang tayo kasi nakalagay sa MedCert ko, free to travel. Ang gusto ng VietJet, free to fly. Please let me free. Charot. So inantay ko lang yung bagong MedCert ko and then we're ready to go. And nagkabayad lang ako ng travel tax ngayon. Hi guys! Papunta na ako ngayon sa gate. Pero grabe guys, sobrang dami nagka-picture sa aking mga OFW. Nakakahiya naman tumanggi guys. So, nag-place na lang ako or nakiusap sa kanila na i-post nila after 1 week. Kasi nga, hindi pa rin ako nagko-post ng ilong ko ngayon kahit na July 10 na. 10 days na ako nagtatago ng mukha. But yeah, they were super kind and understanding na yun nga, hindi ko pa nire-reveal yung nose ko. Yeah, super happy nila guys and binati nila yung ilong ko and they said na mas maganda daw ako ngayon. Super na happy din ako kasi nakikilala pa rin ako ng tao and nagagandahan sila sa akin ngayon lalo. Wow! Charot. Pero totoo guys, super saya ng puso ko na binabati nila yung new look ko. Kahit na medyo maga pa ako at hindi pa ako magaling. So yeah, hingal ako guys. But yeah, update ko kayo. So ayan guys, nag-archive lang ako ng mga posts ko sa Instagram while waiting sa boarding. Airline DJ. Once again, passenger mo na tayo sa ita. Natatakot ako guys, so katawagan pangalan ko. Kasi flight namin yun eh. So, ayan guys, waiting na lang tayo makalipad ng Vietnam. Oh my gosh. Sobrang dami kong ina-archive ng mga photo. Pero iniiwan ko pa rin yung mga magaganda ko siya. Sobrang jejemon ko dati, grabe. Hi guys! So kakasakay lang natin ng Grab. Grabe, sobrang bilis mag-book ng Grab dito kasi nakaabang na lahat ng Grab driver. Yeah, sobrang dali lang mag-book ng Grab. And papunta na ako ngayon nila Ate Pixie. Surprise ko sila Stormy kasi hindi nila alam na pupunta ako. Pero guys, ngayon din yung flight nila pabalik ng Manila. But yun, doon naman ako sa kanila mag-i-stay kasi 2 PM pa yung check-in ko sa kuha kong place. 7:35 AM pa lang ngayon. Imagine. 7 hours. Pero hindi ko sure kung itutulog ko to or baka ikape na lang namin to or lumabas kami. Pero syempre tatanggalin na natin tong tape mamaya kasi panggabi lang talaga yung tape na yan guys. Para lang hindi mag-migrate yung mga fillers natin sa noo. But yes guys, update ko kayo later. We are here at Vietnam. Oh my gosh. Guys, totoo nga nasa Vietnam na tayo. Everybody's riding motorcycle. Oh my gosh. Ay, grabe. Ang mga motorista. Oh my gosh guys, we have the vlog here. Look. We have Philippine flag. Oh my gosh, you're here. And so are you. Hi.
Oh my God!
Ilaw nga siya. Good morning guys, gising na sila. Mama Storm! Oh my gosh guys, I don't know if this is Airbnb or what.
This is Payatas, babe.
Dito ako tawang-tao.
Okay, tinatin niya yan. Hindi sa akin yan ha. Okay, Jay.
Tsaka dito sa inaaway ng mga tao. Mama, what can you say about my new face?
Sino nag-know sa'yo?
Doc J. Christian.
Ang ganda na mo, ang ganda. Maga siya pero sobrang natural.
Maga kasi bago yung
Hi guys, I'm vlog.
Hi guys, this is my room. I love it. And I have a balcony. I love, oh my gosh guys. I love it. That's my view. And this is my place. And here's my CR. Ayan guys, ngayon lang ako nakapagpa-check-in after natin mag-massage ng hair. And our face is so oily. But it's pretty. So pretty. Yes, I love it. Hi guys! Good morning! As you can see, the skin is giving. And the hair, oh my gosh, paano ko nagawa tong hair na to? Syempre guys, nandito na yung makeup artist ko, si Athena. Ayan guys, ang lokal ng Vietnam.
Yes.
Buwan-buwan
Athena.
siya nandito.
Athena Nguyen.
Athena Nguyen. Guys, meron siyang, isa siyang papa dito, papasabay, sa mga nagkapasabay ng ano, may IG siya para sa mga nagkapasabay ng shopping sa Vietnam. But ayun guys, nandito na siya dahil siya ang local here, kailangan ko ng tulong niya. And para din makapag-ayos-ayos tayo, and of course, first out of the country namin to ni Athena.
Yeah!
And look at the hair guys, wala pa siyang ginagawa, buhok pa lang. Feeling ko buo na ako. And the skin is giving, like, kala. So ngayon guys, shopping lang kami ni Ate Pixie ng basura look muna. And then uwi kami mag-aayos para sa picture-picture mamaya mga alas 3, alas 4. Paanang dambuhala? Look! Guys, bumili na kami guys. Here sa Naga ng mga shoes. Naga feet. At ito ang nabili ni Ate Pixie. I love her nails. And Athena also bought, oh, what's that?
Dry feet.
So, dito kami guys sa pinipilahan at dinadayong shoe store. Yes guys, super mura lang. And now, up to the next store. Next one. Guys, yung mga friends siya dito, she is so local.
Here's our friend.
Hi! Hello!
She got her nose done.
Hi guys, so we are on our way to the restaurant and this is our current state.
Ano pa lang to, di ba? Parang dalawang stores pa lang.
Yeah, 2 stores. I mean 3 stores.
3 stores.
Dalawang shoes, isang kali. So guys, yung nabili akong kali. Yung nabili ako and ito yung pinaka big purchase ko so far. 1.2. Yeah, 1.2 million. So we're just here at District 1. Kakain kami. Oh my gosh, guys!
Ikakatunaw ng
Oh my gosh, huwag mong sabihin yan. So we are here, guys, sa kakainan namin. And street fighter lang kami dito ngayon. Kasi nilalabaran namin yung init. But yeah, look at that. There's a bunch of people and there's a lot of foreigners too. Yeah, and then ito yung niluluto nila, guys.
Can we take a picture?
And guys, look. Gusto nila kaming paupuin dun kanina sa malapit sa apoy na to, guys. Nasunog na lang, tanginan. Natunaw na lang yung mga fillers ko sa mukha. Dumating na yung mga BJ!
Can we take pictures ng DJ Idol?
BJ Pascual is here! Oh my gosh! So everyone is trying to ROI everything, guys. So ayan, guys. Oh my gosh! Matutunaw na yung fillers ko. Let's try!
Let's try ang puta na akala mo niluto nila to.
Di malimig yung loob.
Ngayon lang ako iinom po.
Sobrang dehydrate niyang gago siya.
Aga ka?
Kumbaga, ito yung ano natin na first drink.
First drink.
Guys, dumating na ang mga iilan-ilan na pagkain and we're gonna try it. We're gonna try their siopaw. Let's see. This is so asado or what? Hagat gago. Oh my god. You try it first. Let's try it together. Guys, let's go. Oh my gosh, guys!
Here's the food, guys.
Food. Yeah, okay. Can you teach me how to eat banh mi? I'm gonna try this shrimp dumpling first. Guys, natigasan ako sa tinapay. Bawal akong sobrang maya. Guys, sige yung mga pinagbibili ko. Oh my gosh. Kasi kagabi, wala akong mahanap na convenience store. Kaya ako bumili ng kape. But ngayon meron na. So, may laman na yung ref ko. Kasi 1 week din yan, guys. Saan makain ko lahat yan? So guys, we are here at Compound what?
Compound Garment.
Compound Garment. And we just bought another piece here. Mahirap kami pagsamahin. Kasi if she will get it, I will get something too. It's not giving you guys. Thank you so much. Hi guys! So we are here at the coffee shop in front of Clothing Apartment and we're just waiting for Ate Pixie kasi guys, medyo natagalan lang siya kasi kinansel siya ng Grab and on the way na siya. I don't know kung 20 to 30 minutes siya ba. Yeah, we already ordered coffee while waiting for her para pagkarating niya picture-picture na lang. Sino tong mukha na to, babe? That's Athena, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, Ate Pixie is here and she's like a basketball player right
Put
now.
together.
And Athena is also here and she is so chic. Chic. Ah, yung panty niya, babe.
Gets ba? Pag walang flash. Ikaw. Mas trip ko siya. Tingnan mo yung flash. Pag may flash.
Guys, ito lahat ng sinukat ko and lahat ng sinukat ko binili ko. So this is a total of almost 2 million, right? It's so cheap, right? Darling, look at that.
The damage has been done.
Yes, this is just my first day. What did you did to me? That's so you. What did you do to me, darling? Oh my god. Yeah, it is good. Everything. Guys, I cannot vlog everything. I cannot vlog it just because I'm too focused. Not because I'm gatekeeping, but yeah, if you ask me about my OOTD, when it's from Vietnam, I'm gonna tell you where shop it is. Where shop it is? Where did I get that shit? Shit! Yeah. Okay. Bye! Hi everyone. So I am here at the perfume shop. Ate Pixie!
Babe.
I got Budol.
Huh?
So, they have perfume that based on your Chinese Sojaksan, and I'm getting the one that Year of the Monkey because I'm Year of the Monkey. And I love, can you smell it? That's my scent. Year of the Monkey. It is the scent of Clever Charm.
Ano yun? Ano yun? Pagkaganon?
Clever daw ako, babe. Yeah, it's also good. But guys, this is the perfume. So this is the cup kung saan niya siya amuyin. Tapos ito yung bottle niya, guys. And they will pack it like this. Should I get 50 ml or 100? And ito yung mga ano nila guys. 30 ml, 50, and then 100. So guys, ito yung price range niya. And I'm getting 50 ml guys. Sa pesos guys, yung 50 ml, 4,900 plus. So 5K na din yung 50 ml. Charm perfume, wow. Guys, I'm so excited. This is what I'm getting and I'm paying for it, guys. I hope this perfume will give me luck. Is this gonna give me luck?
Well, it does. When you spray it on your skin, at least you will have a good mood.
Okay, good
Yeah,
mood.
Good mood
Okay.
would bring you luck anytime.
Okay, yes. Okay, I'll pay for it. Thank you. Guys, this is our dinner. Wow, I love your order. Me and Athena has the same order, guys. Ate, ano yun? Thank you. Hello, ate. Yes, ingat kayo. Nice to meet you, ate.
Nice to meet you.
Ingat kayo. I love you.
See you around.
I love you. Guys, sakita namin. Yes! And so are you. I love you. Take care. You're such a transgender. Ate Bian, I love you. Bye. Guys, ang cute ng reaction nila kasi they was like, oh my gosh, nagpanitoke ka. Yeah, kasi nga guys, nandito ako sa Vietnam nagtatago
At papagaling.
magpapagaling,
At walang
nag-healing.
nakakaalam.
Yes, so everyone is shocked every time na nakikita ko, oh my gosh, aura ba yun? Or,
Ilang beses nang maraming nagdadalawang tingin, nagtatatlong tingin pa, pero hindi sila nagpapapicture.
oo, like,
Kasi hindi nila alam kung
oo.
si Aura ba talaga yun.
Tapos may time na, hey, sabi sa akin, hi, excuse me, can I take picture with Pixie? Sabi gano'n.
Actually,
Kasi hindi ako nakilala
Hindi
talaga.
nakilala.
Oo.
Tapos tinanong ko siya, nagpa-picture sa'yo? Hindi ka nakilala na.
Pero like, yung mga ibang nagkapa-picture sa akin, guys, sinasabihan ko na, next week nyo na lang po i-post. Next week pa ako magpo-post at kapagaling lang po ako. Kasi guys, maga talaga ako. Hindi alam kung aasarin ako ng mga taong avatar. But like, yeah, our graph is there, 00070. Okay, love you guys. Bye!
Bye!
Hi guys, so sasoli na natin to guys. Hi, sorry, I forgot this last night. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I was rushing last night, right? And I forgot. Thank you, sorry. Oh my gosh guys. Hinart-react lang nila ako. Wait lang.
Buti ko heart era ka scene.
Ano, hindi, ano sabi sa akin? Hindi yung finger heart. Sabi nilang dalawa sa akin, ganyan. Naka-lingerie ako guys, na dress. Nakapanty ako, tapos ganito yung nilakad ko. Nasa main road ako naglalakad. Daladala yung kape at yung blip, yung alarm ng kape. Kaya, mag-isa lang ako, tapos mga 1 a.m. na yun or 12. Tangina babe, nakalimutan ko talaga siyang isoli. Naalala ko siya guys, nung malapit na ako sa hotel. Kasi parang ang dami ko nang hawak. Tapos sabi ko, fuck yeah. Kaya ngayon ko lang siya nasoli guys. And dapat din kaninang umaga isusoli namin. Pero baka iba yung naka-duty and then, nakalimutan ko na rin. But yeah, hinart-react lang ako. Tapos tinawanan nila akong dalawa. Di ba yung reaction nila sa akin na kami? Heart react ako sa nakangiti yung lalaki. Siguro magtatawanan nila ako, babe. Pagka heart react nila, tumalikod na ako din. Bye! So yun guys, nasoli na natin finally. Hi guys! So good morning. Good afternoon. This is our day 12 and day 3 here in Vietnam. But look, iba yung makeup look natin today dahil nga, hindi na para mag-duyin-duyin. Parang ginagago mo na lang yung mga tao. Charot! So ayun guys, ngayon medyo smoky tayo kasi magpo-photobooth us. Ayun din muna ang gagawin natin habang wala pa sa Tipix, magpo-photobooth kami. So ayun si Athena guys.
Pinapaltos na siya!
Kapagtuso siya guys dahil sa work niyang pang papa. So ayun guys, bye. Hi guys, we are here. Guys, I want more. Hi guys! Good morning! So this is our day 3 here in Vietnam and Ate Pixie is here at my place because flight niya na mamaya guys and mag-check out na siya dun sa pinag-i-stayan niya. But yeah, this is our last dance with her. Yeah, go. Show us your dance. Yes. So yes guys, we are the team Volumizer.
Yes.
We are so volume. We are so dry shampoo.
80s, like-
Yeah. This is Ray Valera or what? And this is who are you?
Sino ba ako? Doja Cat.
Okay.
And this is Lisa.
So guys, ayun pala yung kulang. Wala pa akong lipstick. But yeah, lipstick. Sorry kung hindi ko kayo na-update kahapon. Hindi ko na-vlog yung shopping ko kasi gini-gatekeep ko. Charot!
Nagbalbit ah.
But di ko kayo na-update guys kasi sobrang enjoy ko talaga kahapon. And di ba hapon na kami lumabas. But yeah, after photo booth shopping, kain, and then umuwi na rin ako. Sila nag-party sila. But today is another day for shopping. And since last day na ni Ate Pixie, todo na to. Okay, so bye. Hi guys, I'm back here at Lynch Photo Booth because of my free photo for this background. So yesterday, I have decided to just come back here today because the waiting time is 1 hour yesterday. But now, we are so early, we have no waiting time. I think 6. Photo are ready. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so pretty. Guys, so turn naman namin ni Ate Pixie.
Yes.
It's our turn. So,
Edit ka sa akin. Kala nyo yun na yun na.
I love them! They are so cute. Oh my god.
Guys,
Okay.
walwal.
Guys,
Para tayong ano,
we are so cute.
guys, tingnan nyo, para kaming magjowa nung 80s.
This is our brunch for today, guys. This is rice noodles with beef. This is my banh mi meatball, spring rolls, my Vietnamese coffee. And how about your order,
I
darling?
ordered everything I can see.
She ordered everything, guys, because she is so
I am
rich.
starved.
Yeah, and this one is like fiesta, babe! Super fiesta yung order niya.
Bilao.
Yeah guys, yung pagkain niya medium and then yung bilao niya, babe. Oh my gosh. I am so happy and as you can see, this is the prettiest look for the whole journey of this rhinoplasty. I can really tell na my swollen is less right now. I mean, hindi na ako maga masyado. Pero as you can see, maga pa rin. Pero ito yung pinakamaganda kong look sa 3 day ko na nag-makeup. The first one is doing exploring siya. Yung second day, medyo nakuha namin siya. Pero this time around, yeah, I love it. Thank you to Athena. I don't know kung wala siya, anong itsura ko. But yeah, we're gonna eat guys and just stay there. Pupunta talaga ako. Guys, excuse me na lang kung yung nguya ko hindi naka-close mouth kasi ito ba kaya? Ito sawa nila guys, ang sarap. Ikaw. Hi guys! So, yung friend natin Pixie, si Erin is here. So, ang bagong kalahok ng Xinxiao. Yes.
Ciao, are you trans?
No way. So guys, table for 4 na talaga kami here. Na na-order na si ate ko Erin. I love this one. Is this also a pa? Yeah guys, super ano niya guys. Ang tawag dito?
Ano ba yan, babe?
Sobrang masison siya.
Alam mo ba, akala ko coffee shop lang to.
Hi guys, so a little update. We just finished eating our brunch. We also took photos now with, I mean, it's my second outfit guys, as you can see. I'm done with my dress earlier. But guys, I already posted my rhino! I already posted the reel. It's just the ano lang, the transition with the bandage. Pero guys, finally, I posted na after almost 2 weeks cause 13 day na ngayon ang rose ko and ngayon pa lang ako na-post.
Guys, alam niyo, doon ako hanga sa kanya. Hindi talaga siya real time mag-upload to.
Ever since.
Naka-hold niya talaga yung, babe, kung ako yan, tungkol na naman sa akin. Pero, di ba babe, ako taing-tae na ako niyan eh.
Yung moment.
Oo, the
Yeah.
moment tang-inang yan. Pero siya babe, hanga ako sa patience niya babe.
Yeah, kasi guys, gusto ko talagang nakalatag and nakaplano lahat ng pinopost ko. And hindi ever since sa lahat ng travel ko, hindi ako real time. Kahit na kunyari posting na silang lahat ng mga kasama ko, siguro ako after 2 or 3 days pa talaga. Kasi gusto ko plakado yung posting ko. At ano pa ako, meron pa akong kunyaring yung dump account ko, ginagawa ko siyang pinagpa-practicean ko ng mga slide. The music, kailangan perfect yung music, yung slide. Yeah guys, I posted my... We're here?
Yeah.
Oh darling, we're here. Okay. Hi guys, so we are here at the vintage store and I got this bag. So this bag, I saw this on Ate Pixie's IG story and she said that this is her Totga.
Yes.
Because she bought more, you know, expensive bag. She bought Bottega. So I bought this one guys because you know, Ate Pixie is the one who always, siya lagi guys, oh wow, tinagalog. Pero guys, totoo, sa outfit, sa pictures, and even sa bag, si Ate Pixie laging nag-aano sa akin talaga. Nag-a-advise kung bagay ba sa aesthetic ko sa akin or what. But yeah, I got this for only 2.5 million, which is equivalent to almost 6,000 only. And this is a Coach bag. It is a vintage Coach bag. And I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this earring. Darling.
How much for this again?
This one is 2.8.
Darling, how much for this earring?
Vivian Westwood is like 2.5.
Oh, ka-pressure niya yung, darling, ka-pressure niya yung bag ko. I love this. Maganda.
And it's gold. Oo nga no.
Oh, it's not gold. It's gold plated.
Gold plated.
Gold
But it
plated.
doesn't tie.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got this bag. I already paid for it. And then,
Yeah, sure. Yep, I'm gonna.
thank you. Guys, I really hate this part that Ate Pixie is ready to leave. She's leaving me. Like, I
Babe,
hate
I
this.
have to. Not my life, Charis.
But yeah, guys, ang tagal niya na rin dito nung
8
July.
days, tang-ina.
Yeah, nung July 5 pa siya here. And then, how many kg?
50.
50 kg siya, guys. And parang 50 kg na rin ako kasi
And you're gonna buy
lahat
that.
ito, guys, lahat sa baba and sa taas
Sa'yo lahat yan?
is mine. And ayun yung kay Athena.
Sa'yo lahat yan, tol.
Oo. Bye-bye, Ate Pixie. I love you so much.
Bye-bye. This is so not calculate.
Yeah.
Maghahagdan lang ako yung mag-elevator.
Ang ina mo.
Parang
I
kakaiba.
love you.
Bye-bye. Bye,
Thank
guys.
you. Thank you. I love you. We should travel more.
Yeah. I love you, babe.
Yes, adios. Yes, adios, Ate Pixie. I love you.
Bye.
Hi guys! So nakapagtanggal na tayo ng makeup and this is our day 13, diba? Kakauwi lang ni Ate Pixie, nakapag-shopping tayo. Dahil nakadalawang picture ako today with my outfits and then look at my face guys, it's so giving. And wala na talaga akong scar. This is my almost 2 weeks of post-opera look. This is the update. Wala na yung mga tahi ko guys and scar ko. Hindi pa ako nakapaglinis ulit ng nose and ngayon maglilinis tayo bago ako kumain. By the way, yung food na na-order ko ay nag-McDo na lang ako guys for dinner kasi tinatamad na talaga ako lumabas. So umorder na lang ako ng dinner. And na-try ko naman na yung McDo nila. Okay naman siya. Nag-expect lang ako masyado sa spaghetti. But masarap naman. Yung spaghetti nila natabang lang. But overall, the rest is good. But ngayon maglilinis tayo ng ilong bago tayo kumain. But ilalagay ko muna ito sa ref para matigas. And update lang kung hinahanap niyo si Athena ay nasa labas pa kasi nag-work siya ng mga pasabay niya. Kasi yun ang sideline ni Athena guys here at Vietnam. Kaya medyo madalas din siya here kasi nagkapasabay siya. So, we're gonna linis using this solution. Sodium chloride. Ayan pa yung bigyan ng doktor ko, guys. Panglinis talaga siya ng ilong. Dapat kanina i-film ko yung tanggal ko ng makeup kasi when I remove my makeup, I'm using a makeup remover wipes and then micellar water and then maghihilamos ako with the cleanser. After that, magsha-shower ako and then micellar water ulit. So, yung loob ko guys, may mga stitches pa siya. Kasi yung stitches sa loob, kusang matutunaw 2 to 3 weeks. Diba guys? Kailangan pa rin talaga linisin yung ilong. And I have different cream for that. Kasi dahil may tahi pa ako, iba yung cream ko dun sa may tahi at iba yung cream ko sa wala ng tahi. Yung isa guys, for scar treatment siya. So, ito yung sa labas. Para wala siyang malib na scar. Ito namang isa guys, para sa stitches or sa sa denture. Nilalagay ko siya sa mga part na may tahi pa. Nilagyan na natin ng cream yung mga may tahi. Yung cream naman, pang scar treatment naman. I'm so excited to eat, guys, kaya medyo binibilisan ko. So guys, we're done with the nose cleaning. Next, iti-tape naman natin yung bandang hair. Panggabi, for security lang, guys, sa forehead ko. So we're just gonna put tape on the top. Advice ng doctor ko, guys. And I'm ready to eat. Let's eat, guys. Oh my God. So kakain lang ako, guys, and then manonood ng K-drama. Ni-upload ko na yung vlog ko, yung part 1. Kaya yeah, busy tayo. So yeah, good night. I love you. See you tomorrow. Hi guys! So this is our day 14. Oh my gosh, guys. 2 weeks na tong ilong natin and I decided na wag muna mag-makeup ngayon. Ipahinga ang mukha ko dahil 3 days straight na tayong nagme-makeup. And guys, mag-isa lang ako dahil si Ate Fixie umuwi na. Si Atina naman ay nagtatrabaho kanina pang morning. It's already 2 p.m. and si Atina 9 a.m. pa siya nag-work. Ngayon guys, direct shopping ko sa Ate Christine. Like sinukat ko yung mga sinadyan damit. And lahat yan guys, like 6 na dress, chinek out niya, tangina na loka ako, 20 million Vietnam dong. 20 million yun guys. So in peso, 48,000. Na-limit na lang yung card ko, na loka ako nung bayaran na. Pero yun guys, magmamanmoy ulit ako kung saan kami kumain kahapon kasi ang sarap ng pagkain doon. And yeah, let's see kung ano mangyari today. Yeah, love you guys. Bye-bye. Mati nga yung order ko pero maling size kasi small lang in order ko, medium yung binigay. Nagda-diet na ngayon tao, babe. Ano ba ako? So, I was planning guys kung magpapa-hair muna ako bago tayo mag-shopping ulit. Pili ko magpa-hair muna ako kasi naiirita ako sa hair ko bago tayo mag-shopping. Kaya waiting na tayo sa order guys. I'm so excited. So guys, dumating na yung una kong order. The spring rolls. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, guys. In-order ko na to kahapon. In-order ko ulit ngayon kasi sobrang sarap niya. Like legit. Sobrang sarap. Yeah, hindi ko na maantay yung isa. Paano yan? Yung vlog ko puro ganyan na lang. Puro kakain na lang ng ganito. Hi guys! So we are done with the 18 steps scalp treatment and I also got my hair done. Pinatanggal ko yung dead hair and dry hair ko. So super bob cut na tayo ngayon. Grabe yung scalp treatment guys. Kailangan ko maggamot ng scalp ko pa. Kailangan ko siyang i-maintain. Pero the best dito, medyo mahal siya kasi 2,200,000 dong siya pero worth it. 2 hours and 30 minutes nila akong ginagawa. And they also give me a free haircut kasi sabi ko baka pwedeng ipa-trim or magbabayad ako ganyan. They gave me a free haircut guys. So the best here sa U Salon. So hi guys, pauwi na ako. Inantay ko na lang yung grab ko. Actually hindi ako pauwi kasi mag-shopping pa ako. So right now pupunta ako sa El Sol para mag-shopping and yung DJI ko 10% na lang. So sana umabot pa siya. But guys, super the best yung experience ko dito sa U Salon. Not because binigyan nila ako ng discount, pero binigyan nila ako ng libre na lahat guys. Nung nakita nila yung social media ko. But libre or hindi, discount or wala, sobrang sarap ng experience ko dito. I created a mini vlog for TikTok and for IG Reel for my full experience sa 18 steps of scalp treatment. The best talaga siya guys. Sponsored siya or hindi, pero the best siya. I will definitely come back here to get my scalp treatment again every time I visit Vietnam. I will also need to get my hair treatment done kasi dry talaga siya and madaming dead hair. But yeah, overall experience was the best and definitely would come back again. Hi guys, so I finally got my dress. So I bought 2 dresses here at El Sol and that equivalent to almost 6 million Vietnam dong and it's 11,000 or 12,000 in the Philippines. But I got the polka dots and the brown one. I wasn't able to show you guys kasi 5% na lang yung DJI ko pero maganda siya. Makikita niyo siya soon. Yeah, maganda dito sa El Sol. Medyo pricey lang siya. And wala yung stock dito ngayon ng brown one. Ipapadeliver na lang nila sa hotel namin. Hi guys! I'm back in my hotel and this is my dinner guys! Oh my gosh! So this is my order guys. I just ordered this beef tongue. I also ordered this brown pork curry. Rice and then again guys. And again my favorite sa Highlands ito. So this is my dinner guys. And my DJI is 2%. So let's just wait until the camera died. So let's start eating this beef. Ang sarap na sauce. One thing about Vietnam, ang sasarap talaga yung pagkain nila. Bye! We are here at the coffee apartment. Oh my gosh! So I finished my egg coffee. And guys, and ito guys, lahat ng nandito sa taas akin to. Tsaka